Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this twisted petal flower. It seems so hard, but believe me, it's so easy to make. So here today I'm using a cotton yarn and 2.5mm crochet hook, and let's get started. So here I'm starting with a slip knot. Now make 9 chains. Make a slip stitch into the very first chain. Now from here work chain 3. This chain 3 counting as our first treble crochet. Now yarn over twice and make 1 treble crochet into this space. Grab the yarn over, pull through 2 and yarn over, pull through 2. Again yarn over, pull through 2. Now work another treble crochet into the same space. So total we have 3 treble crochets. From here work chain 3. Now again work 3 treble crochets into the same space here. Again chain 3 and work more 3 treble crochets into the same space. Again chain 3 and work more 3 treble crochets into the same space. All we have to continue this till we have 5 3 treble crochet sets. So here you can see I made 5 sets of 3 treble crochet. Now last we're gonna work 3 chains and make a slip stitch into the third chain here. Now we're going to skip into this space, make a single crochet into this space and again skip into the next one, make a single crochet here. From now we're going to work chain 5. Now make a single crochet into this space here between of these 2 trebles. Again skip into the next treble and make a single crochet. From here work chain 5. Make a single crochet into the space between of these 2 trebles. Skip into the next treble, make a single crochet into this space and make chain 5. Just continue this pattern till end of this round and let's meet at the end. So this is our last 5 chains and now I'm going to make a slip stitch into this space here. So we're done now with this row. From here we're going to work the petals. For that make chain 2 and work 5 double crochets into that chain 3 space here. So it will easy bend that chain 5 space and just make 5 double crochets into that chain 3 space. Okay, we done our 5th double crochet. Now we're going to work into this space, this treble crochet that we done before. Work 5 double crochets into that treble. So now we're going to do the 3rd step. So for that we're going to work 5 double crochets into another treble here. Make a little twist to your project and work 5 double crochets into that treble. Here we done our 5th double crochet. Now from here we're going to work on that 5 chains. So yarn over twice and work 5 treble crochets into that chain 5 space. Just bend your petal a little bit and just find the chain 5 space and make 5 trebles. Okay, we've done our 5 trebles. From here work chain 3 and insert the hook from this space, insert the hook from these 2 loops and make a slip stitch. From here work more 3 treble crochets into the same space. So we done our 3 trebles. Now work chain 3 and insert the hook from this space, a single crochet from the previous row, join with a single crochet. So here we done our first twisted petal. So now we're gonna work into the next one. So skip into the next space and make a single crochet, and from that work chain 2. Now we'll work 5 double crochets into that chain 3 space. Here we done our 5 double crochets. Now we're gonna work another 5 double crochet into that treble here in this place. Now make a little twist and work 5 double crochets into the other treble crochet here. From here we're going to work treble crochets, so make 5 treble crochets into that chain 5 space. Okay, we done our 5 trebles. From here work 3 chains and insert the hook from these 2 loops and make a slip stitch. Now continue work 3 more trebles into the same space. Here we done our 3 trebles. Now chain 3 and make a single crochet into this space, that single crochet we done before. So this is how our second twisted petal looks like. So from here you all have to do, just continue this pattern, but I'll show you one more time. Just skip into the next space and make a single crochet. Now work chain 2 and work 5 double crochets into that chain 3 space. Now again work 5 double crochets into that treble from previous row. Now work 5 double crochets into the other side treble. From here, work 5 treble crochets into that chain 5 space. Here we're gonna work chain 3 and make a slip stitch into that space. Insert the hook from these 2 loops and make a slip stitch. And again continue work 3 more trebles into the same space here. Now work chain 3 and make a single crochet into that space. So I hope you got this pattern, how to take a twisted effect for this petal. So you all have to do is just continue this pattern all over to the end. So here we reach to the last. Now chain 3 and make a slip stitch into that single crochet from previous row. Now chain 1 and cut off the yarn. Okay guys, this is how our twisted petal flower looks like. It's so easy to make. Hope you'll love this video. If you like, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.